Hey guys, so a new Gionee phone has launched in China. It seems the device will be limited to the Chinese market. It is called the Gionee F3 Pro. While latest devices from other brands usually are equipped with a hole punch display or a teardrop display, the Gionee F3 Pro is equipped with a notch which is smaller in size when compared to older iPhone devices. Let's talk about the details of the Gionee F3 Pro. So the device has a flat frame body. There's a triple camera at the back of the device, and the layout resembles that of the iPhone series. And on the right side of the cameras is a secondary display that can not only show time but also notifications and call alerts. In terms of specs, the F3 sports a 6.5-inch display. It also is equipped with dual stereo speakers, and it is powered by the Unisoc T610 processor paired with 8GB RAM and 128GB of onboard storage. The device runs on an unknown version of Android operating system. Perhaps later we'll get to know the Android version of the Gionee F3 Pro. As mentioned earlier, the device is equipped with triple rear cameras. Only the main camera is known yet. It is a 21MP camera. The front-facing camera that the notch houses is 5MP. And lastly, the device is backed up by a 3900 mAh battery, and it supports 10 watts charging. The phone is priced at around 1,399 Chinese yen, which is about $205. And it's already available for sale in China, and like I mentioned earlier, it seems the device will be limited to the Chinese market only. It comes in 3 beautiful colors: gold, blue, and black. So that's all I know about the Gionee F3 Pro for now. I don't know if the device will be available globally. It's already available in China, and I'd like to hear your thoughts about the Gionee F3 Pro, so feel free to share them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.